Innovation is power. The power to walk down never before known paths. The power to drive the transforming world today. The power to break the shackles of conventional and conquering it. We enable you to break the old. We are the Gujarat Technological University, the International Innovative University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. GTU, an intellectual destination for all those who seek not just to imbibe knowledge, but to excel in every endeavor. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold, operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU is an accomplished educational administrative body. Its motto is to change and challenge conventional thinking, replacing it by innovative acumen.
Today, Gujarat Technological University is the preferred destination for students from all over the Gujarat for technical education. GTU strive for innovation, research and startups which create job and entrepreneurship.
Widening the vision to make this world a better place are distinctive disciplines like engineering, architecture, management, pharmacy and computer application are designed keeping in mind the transforming era of speed and technology. GTU is the first ever university in India that pioneered to inculcate design engineering in 6 semesters of undergraduate engineering program. Our vivid curriculum allows our students to cultivate a mindset of innovation, enhancing their skills. GTU offers 1 to 6 years programs in diploma, bachelor's, master's and doctorate. GTU has established 3 diverse postgraduate schools in academic year 2017-18, approved by AICTE and PCI. In the wake of increasing demand for cybersecurity, GTU has started PG courses to prepare competent manpower specializing in cybersecurity and mobile technology. These courses run under GTU School of Engineering and Technology with an intake of 30 students in each course. With an aim to contribute in the field of medicine by assuring quality and safety of drugs, vaccines and other biological products, GTU has established School of Pharmacy, offering M.Pharm in drug regulatory affairs. Our distinctive management programs infused with in-depth research like MPhil in business management gives a competitive edge to our students over their peers. To deliver quality education in the field of global business, GSMS started MBA in International Business, focusing to maximize the global opportunities for our students to perform exponentially in 7 international markets. We understand the ever-advancing technology and ever-changing time, and we adapt accordingly by offering distinguished online e-courses so that boundaries in time no longer hinder your aspirations. Excellence is to do a common thing in an uncommon way. GTU understands this belief and has taken every step towards making it a reality. Partnering with Bosch Rexroth India Limited, GTU envisions to actualize an industry institute partnership by making our students industry ready and to bridge the much needed technology gaps between industry and academics. The first ever Center of Excellence is currently functioning at Vishwakarma Government Engineering College, Chamkheda, Ahmedabad, equipped with the cutting-edge facilities. Global is the new local. Going the extra mile for our students is what we do. We have a dedicated department of international relations to manage, expand and enhance international relations and activities of the university. We have collaborations with more than 30 foreign universities. DIR aims to provide an exposure to Indian students for international pedagogical environment in their academic specialization. International Experience Program (IEP) under GTU is one of the largest students' mobility program by the Technological Universities of India. More than 1,500 students have been benefited through IEP since its inception in 2011. Under IEP, GTU has collaborated with the universities of US, Canada, Germany and Bulgaria, offering a unique opportunity to the students and enhancing their skills with a global perspective. More than 350 students participate in summer program for 6 to 8 weeks every year. Foreign Student Cell is dedicatedly looking after the admission and administration of more than 500 international students studying under various full-time programs of GTU from across 43 countries around the globe. GTU ensures the best learning and living environment for all international students, along with the essence of a strong socio-cultural experience, making them truly a global citizen. Exploring and managing various joint academic programs with foreign universities. Joint events like conferences, workshops, seminars and research projects with foreign universities. Our international activities also focus on Winter School Program, where students from foreign universities visit GTU for short-term study tour. Our exemplary faculty members are the core of this staunch body. Imparting practical and theoretical knowledge in today's day and era is no easy task. More than 21,000 skilled and dedicated faculty members across all the colleges consistently drive themselves to steer ahead the responsibility of knowledge sharing. Innovation being in the core of every step we take. GTU has partnered with leading industries to encourage industry-academia knowledge exchange. GTU has more than 150 startup initiatives to encourage the innovative ideas of our students and give them the necessary pillars they crave for. Over 350 patents have been filed and 70+ patents have been published by our affiliated colleges. Integrated Training and Placement Cell conducts campus placements with many reputed firms to deliver industry-ready skilled manpower every year. The training received at GTU enables our students to be the most sought after in their chosen fields. To harness the entrepreneurial skills in the students, GTU Keepsake Welding Research and Skill Development Center, an initiative partnering with Keepsake Engineering Consultancy Private Limited, is being successfully run at LD College of Engineering in Ahmedabad. The center is equipped with workshops with latest facilities for classrooms and actual hands-on training in the field of welding and non-destructive testing. GTU has been recognized for many achievements nationally and internationally. Acknowledged as the best university in internationalization. Ranked in top 60 for 3 consecutive years in one of the most prestigious robotics competition, Robocon. GTU Robotics Club acquired Best Robotics Lab Setup Award by ICRA, award for the most upcoming university in Western India in 2018. Recognition in Limca Book of Records for celebrating the National Days of 50 countries as a part of the Global Country Study Report. Best Technical University Award at Indian Society for Technical Education for the year 2017. At GTU, we create the leaders of tomorrow with our innovative initiatives. Startup initiatives for the emerging talents. Research centers to provide new innovations and deep insights. Community and co-creation centers. Design and project-based learning system. A changing world where only one thing is constant, and that's innovation. Curating ideas that were never known. building a new India of innovation and intellect. GTU, the International Innovative University. Your place to move forward.
रेड चंद ના અહીંયા જ હતો.
A very good afternoon to one and all.
On behalf of Economic Section, Gujarat Technological University, warmly welcome all the honorable dignitaries on the dais, all the principals and faculty members of affiliated institutes, dear students and their parents who have joined virtually for the
Online orientation meet for first year Diploma Pharmacy and first semester BPharm course. Today, we all are facing a global pandemic situation due to COVID-19 virus, which has compelled us to leave the traditional gatherings. Instead, we connect on this digital platform. Hopefully, we would overcome this unfortunate situation soon. Before we start the main event, I would request all present here to stand up for GTU's song.
GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय जन कल्याण का अडिग हिमालय गुजरात तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय इनोवेशन की मशाल उठाए ज्ञान को चारों ओर फैलाए विश्वकर्मा की कृपा को पाकर विश्व फलक पर शान बढ़ाए नवीनता की खुशबू से जो भारत का कण कण महकाए ज्ञान पिपासु शिष्य वृंद की तपो साधना सफल बनाए GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय अनुभवी शिक्षक कौशल बढ़ाए परहित का ही पाठ पढ़ाए अनुसंधान और ज्ञान का संगम भावी पीढ़ी उज्जवल बनाए आत्मनिर्भर युवा बने और शिक्षित विकसित राष्ट्र कहाए गौरव माता पिता का बढ़ाए हर मन में विश्वास जगाए GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय विकास का यही क्रम दोहराए GTU को सर्वश्रेष्ठ बनाए हासिल करके उच्च सफलता शिक्षा जगत में क्रांति लाए सिद्धपुर सोमनाथ सूरत से कच्छ तलक फैला ज्ञानालय अपार संजोए संभावना गुजरात तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय जन कल्याण का अडिग हिमालय गुजरात तकनीकी विश्वविद्यालय GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय GTU समुचित ज्ञान समन्वय
Thank you all. I request Dr. K.N. Kher sir, Registrar GTU, for the welcome note on this occasion and also to give brief about this event. Sir, please.
Namaste. Good afternoon to all. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Gujarat Technological University, Professor Naveen Seth sir, respected our Dean, Pharmacist and DOG member Dr. C.N. Patel sir, all respected principals of the pharmacy institutes and faculty members and dear students and parents. First of all, I congratulate all the GTU students for taking their admission and prepare as a GTU for their university. Today, you all are become our family members. And for that, I also congratulate for becoming a part of the GTU family. It is also our great pleasure to welcome all of you on first day of your academic career in the professional courses like pharmacy. You are also enough lucky that on your first day you are with our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir and our Dean of the Pharmacy. It is also stated that I am never meet my Vice Chancellor. I have not any chance to meet our Vice Chancellor during my academic career or during my study. You are enough lucky that our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir has decided that on the first day we meet all the students who are taking admission in the GTU. Again, I welcome all of you as become a family members of the GTU Parivar. GTU has a very different culture. GTU have a innovative international university and accordingly we have developed an ecosystem in the area of startup innovations and our academic program have also so many people from national importance institutes. That's why our syllabus, our examination systems, and all the things, accordingly, we are the number one in the Gujarat state. You all are aware that all the other universities, conventional university, is not a take any exam during the pandemic situation. GTU is the one of the university in the not only in Gujarat but in the India. According to our system, examination system, and support of all the faculty members, principals, and our deans, and under the guidance of the Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, we have taken examination of almost 60,000 students in the online mode. That's why I am congratulating you all that you have taken an admission in university that in the number one in the Gujarat and not only Gujarat but in the India also. Our startup and innovation cell also received a ERA 5th rank in all over India and second in the Gujarat. We have also received QS ranking certificate. Only two universities selected in the US ranking. Only one Gujarat Technological University is a government university from the Gujarat. That's why I am telling you that you are enough lucky that you have taken an admission in this university where strengthening academic programs. Again, I welcome all of you and congratulate again to all of you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for such a heartfelt welcome. Today, we are glad to have with us Dr. C.N. Patel, sir, who is Dean Pharmacy GTU, member of Faculty of Pharmacy GTU, member of Board of Governance GTU, member of Academic Council GTU, former Dean and Syndicate member of Hemchandracharya North Gujarat University, Patan, member of Pharmacy Council of India and Gujarat State Pharmacy Council, member of All India Board of Pharmaceutical Education AICTE, professor and principal in Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry at Sri Sarvajanik Pharmacy College, Mehsana. I request sir to give highlights of academic aspects of degree pharmacy course. Sir, please.
Namaskar. Gujarat Technological University, respected Professor Nasir sir, Honorable Registrar GTU, respected Dr. Ken Kher sir, all the respected principals, faculty members of affiliated pharmacy colleges, and all the students just starting their career at college level in the colleges which are affiliated to GTU, state level technological university, having a well recognition not only in the Gujarat, not only in the India, but national level. So you are very lucky to have the admission with the colleges or the departments of GTU. And you are so much lucky having admission in the Faculty of Pharmacy. Because the Faculty of Pharmacy and the students just completing the course of degree, having a lot of scopes. And scopes are in the pharmacy, there are many scopes, and beyond the pharmacy, other sectors there is a lot of scopes. I just narrated about the scopes. First, we start with the syllabus. The syllabus is having 4 years, 8 semester course, and the course comprising of 3 sciences: general science, medical science, and technical science. In the 4 years tenure of the syllabus course, we will learn about the general chemistry, pharmacology, the part of the botany, and the chemistry, the inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry, pharmaceutical medical chemistry. So the medicines are generally received from the minerals and plant science, plants and the animal. So we have to study in syllabus the general science. All the chemicals which are used as medicine and they are embedded in our body, so we have to understand the body science. So most of the subjects, anatomy, physiology, microbiology, pharmacology, pathology, clinical pathology, these kind of subjects, the basic subjects which are being taught in the MBBS course are being taught in the syllabus of pharmacy. So medical science in general, we have to study. Third, which is the chemical which are in our hand in a powder form or liquid form, we cannot take to the market as such. So we have to convert this molecule to the liquid form or any dosage form, about 7 to 20 doses from tablet, capsule, liquid, elixir, ointment, syrup. So to converting this molecule into the dosage form, the technology and engineering is also required, the knowledge is required. So in the syllabus of 4 years, the student of pharmacy has to learn about 10 to 11 subjects of engineering technology. So I am saying that the 3 sciences, general science, medical science, and the technological science is all together, is covered in our syllabus. The person who digests all knowledge can become all-rounder, not only in the field of pharmacy, but other field in the field of the medical science, manufacturing the medical devices, in the chemical science, general chemical API process, manufacturing and by pharmacy. When we talk about the formulation, India, in our nation, the pharma Industry is on the second position. And when we talk about the Gujarat, the pharmacy industry is in the first position. And at present, 33% of total volume of production in India, Gujarat is manufacturing. So, ત્રણ દવા એક દવા ગુજરાત બનાવે છે અને about 700 crores of rupees worth medicines are exported from Gujarat to the America, countries of the UK, countries of the Africa, Australia, Canada, and this is the position of the Gujarat. So the scopes are in manufacturing is there when you come out after 4 years. Beyond that, manufacturing of the medicines, the basic molecules required for preparing a tablet, that's like suppose we are having the paracetamol tablet, aspirin tablet, for the manufacturing company require powder, paracetamol, powder molecule of aspirin. This is being recorded as API, active pharmaceutical ingredients, or general chemical and raw materials, intermediates, N1, N2, N3 pod. So this is also the second option. Preparing, manufacturing this API and providing to the manufacturing unit for preparing final product as a medicine. So API and the Atmanirbhar Bharat, our beloved Minister Shri Narendra Modi has declared Atmanirbhar Bharat local to local, and they have given 100 acres on land at the Saika Dorus for developing the API unit. China is producing a lot of API and raw materials for preparing medicines. And the India is also importing about 61% to 63% API or raw materials or intermediates for preparing these API. So, Sri Narendra Modi has suggested us, and they have inspired all of us to go in this direction and manufacturing more and more volume in the API sector. Second, third option, medical devices. Total 14% of medical devices are being synthesized in India of total production of world. And this is the major requirement and major scope will be there when you come out. And for that, under the Atmanirbhar Bharat, the 100 acres land is given at the Rajkot. And so this is what we have more and more scope will be there after a few years, couple of years. Fourth one is the R&D, research and development. The pharmacy is the sector where more and more chances for the research is there. Most all the major companies, pharmaceutical companies, Cadila, Sun Pharma, Alembic, Emcure, Bharat Petrol, these are having the research and development department where the new molecules, new doses form every day being discovered. The Troika, they have given one diclofenac injection of the diclofenac. It was given 3 ml at the muscular level and they generating a major pain. So they developed and minimize this volume from 3 ml to the 1 ml, and so it is very easily accepted by market. And lastly, they have discovered a new dosage form for vitamin B12 because vitamin B12 cannot be absorbed from the GI tract. So they have developed a nasal spray. Now the spray is given in the nostril, nasal, and the absorption is more in the by the route. So this is the research. Every day they are coming day by day. Aspirin just completed 100 years. This is the medicine. Earlier it was given as a painkiller. But at present it is given as minimize the clotting in the internal clotting of the blood. And now in the corona Mahamari, almost all the patients are given aspirin. And this is the newly researched after a couple of years. Aspirin is also there. Day by day, this is the profession, the scientific profession, and the new research are coming there. So research and department, development department always require pharmacists, the research and development. Similarly, the CRO, contract organizations, there are a number of CROs are in India. They are doing research work for these other pharmaceutical companies on the contract base. They are developing new dosage forms. They are trying these attempts on the animals. They are trying the medicine on the human volunteers. And after having this data, providing to the manufacturing companies. So the CROs are also there and the scopes are also there. Clinical research. Now, faulty organizations are in race for preparing vaccine worldwide. And in even India, the three companies are also preparing vaccine. And so, production of the vaccine also required pharmacists. Because this technology is there, the use of vaccine in the human body is there, and the pharmacist, the person is there, is a person who is having the body science and technology and general science. So without the pharmacy in the organization, the synthesis of the vaccine is not possible. So for the preparation of vaccine, it is a very critical need for the controlling the patients, the cases of the corona vaccine is there. In the field of chemical, pharmacists can also have exposure in chemical. And when we talk about the chemical industry in Gujarat, now 53% of total manufacturing of chemical now being synthesized and manufactured in Gujarat. And it is also hope after a few years, 4 to 5 years, it may be more than 60% of total manufacturing of chemical in Gujarat will be there. So we are having this hope in the chemical lines also. So chemical. When the simple molecule we are considering the chemical, when this chemical is used as a medicine, then it is pharmaceutical. And this chemical in our body is biochemical. So all three kinds of the entities we are concerned as a pharmacist. In the field of the Ayurveda, now after being a PM, Narendra Modi is given this separate ministry. And the pharmacy, Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, Yoga, all together under the ministry. Now, ICC of community is a small pages, including the pharmacy and Ayurveda. So maybe I think the pharmacists are having a great role. So the scope are also very field. Even I said the scope may be in forestry because in our course we are studying more than 200 medicinal plants. So in the forestry, the general officer like Agarport, the pharmacy and this scope. These are the many scopes in the pharmacy field because in Gujarat is number one in the industry of pharmaceutical. India is the second position, so there are a number of posts. And in the pharmacy, you can be an entrepreneur, starting your medical, starting your the API manufacturing unit, starting your formulation unit, starting your CRO. You can also start from your work medical transcription. So foreign companies are requiring the data, and the pharmacists after study, when we found MCOM, they can give the data under the title medical transcription. So this is also a one more scope in the pharmacy field. So these are number of scopes we can talk. Our registrar sir had narrated about the GTU. When we concern with the pharmacy, it is a number of assets. If you started placement under the banner of the university, I think this is the only one university in Gujarat and India. They are having the placement and number of pharma companies, including Canada, Sun Pharma, Emcure, LLE, Carbapenem, like 70 to 80 companies are every year coming to the campus of the DTU, and they are selecting diploma, degree, master degree, family, scholars for their companies. So we about 7 to 8 placement tests we have training successfully organized in the campus of GTU. And this is the one more thing for under the GTU. This is the IEP, International Educational Policy. Under this policy, our graduates, engineering graduates, pharmacy graduates are visiting the foreign university because GTU is having more than 20 or 25 foreign universities having the MOUs. And under this lecture, our students of pharmacy, after the completion of the 6th semester, they are going to the Lawrence University, Sudbury, Canada. They are staying there 7 to 8 weeks, about 50 days. They are studying one subject, one from 7th semester and one from the 8th semester, and their marks are carried forward to GTU. And the students have not to study these two subjects in 7 and 8 subjects. This is also an international education policy under this MOU, and the students are having this one more training when they are having admission in the GTU colleges. It is also having the organization schools. in different parts of Gujarat, the industry zones are there. Mehsana industry, Satral industry, Kalon industry, Vatwa industry, Processor industry, Rajpur industry, Morbi industry. So with few people from this region, from the industry side, and few professors of the GTU, for each industry zone, they are having the Sankuls, and under this Sankul, the industry area is minimized. So after the completion of the theoretical and practical knowledge, the students are, and within this syllabus even, they are having the industrial visits, industrial training, industrial projects in the industry, very easy approach. The students are benefited from the industry. Industry people are coming to the GTU and the affiliated colleges for sharing their huge knowledge and wide experience, industrial experience, and the students are benefited. So these are also a benefit from the industry under this ability. It is also having the IPR and the patent cell, and under which patents facility are given when you are having the interest in the research, and after research you are going through patent. So for filing the patent, GTU is helping, giving the guidance and financial support about 25,000. So these are the many credits are there when you are having admission in the colleges of the GTU. So these are the benefits from the GTU. GTU is provide recognized university. Suppose you are completing this degree and want to go in the abroad for the study, and you are having transcript from the GTU and the heading of the GTU will be benefited for you. And you are easily accepted in foreign university because you have studied in the GTU. These are the more and more benefits, and you are having GTU. In the Corona Mahamari, GTU is giving colleges of affiliated to GTU are giving the online education, and the best knowledge in the last 4 months are given by the all colleges affiliated to GTU. And for that, having the E-Lead award from the US Institute Organization of the UK, they have given award to the GTU for the best learning access in the online education. And when GTU started in 2008, in the first year, GTU received award, digital award, because digitalization, online techniques, online administration, GTU is best in the India. Now it is recognized in the foreign, because foreign organization pass US organization giving the award to the GTU. So these are many merits granting admission in GTU or the college of GTU. So again, I congratulate all of you. You have a luck, but we have to study. We have to be admission during 4 years because our syllabus covering all 3 science. So we have to give attention more and more. We have to work very hard. So when you are gaining all knowledge, you will be an all-rounder, and we are having a great scope in the pharmacy, not only the pharmacy, but the general science, the technology science. You will be more when you are giving pride to GTU. I hope you will be very lucky, and you will get a lot after 4 years. And also there is chance to study further in the M.Pharm. Affiliated colleges are also giving M.Pharm courses in GTU. So again, I welcome all of you and appreciate your efforts having admission in the GTU, and also having admission in the pharmacy, because we giving a more scope in number of facets and number of sectors. Thank you very much. Thank you again.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us about this program. And I'm sure students have gained enough information about this program as well during this program, and as well as what we can do after this program. Sir has given directions that there are many abroad chances for after this program. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Naveen Seth, sir, who has been a visionary leader with rich experience in the field of academics. I request him to address the students on the teaching and learning methods adopted by the university in the prevailing pandemic situation. Sir.
Namaskar. आज के इस कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित हमारे फैकल्टी के डीन और हमारे म्यूजिक मेंबर डॉक्टर CN पटेल सर, हमारे कुल सचिव श्री डॉक्टर KN खेर, सभी फैकल्टी मेंबर्स और मेरे प्यारे विद्यार्थी भाइयों और बहनों, आपका जो अभ्यासक्रम है वो तो फार्मेसी काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया ने तय किया है, वो आपको इंग्लिश मीडियम में ही पढ़ना है, लेकिन आज पहले दिन हम मिल रहे हैं, इसलिए मैं आपके साथ हिंदी में बात करता हूँ। GTU की एक परंपरा रही इस बात से कि हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी की संलग्न एफिलिएटेड कॉलेजेस में जिन्होंने एडमिशन लिया, उनके साथ GTU का सीधा संवाद होता है। इस प्रकार का इंजीनियरिंग कार्यक्रम, डिप्लोमा इंजीनियरिंग और एक तीसरा कार्यक्रम है जहां हम विद्यार्थियों से सीधी बात कर रहे हैं। मेरे पहले हमारे कुल सचिव श्री और हमारे डीन श्री ने पूरी डिटेल्स में बात बताई कि फार्मेसी का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है, GTU के बारे में भी बताया और अपने प्लेसमेंट कैरियर के बारे में भी बताया। जब भी कोई स्टूडेंट एडमिशन लेता है, उनके गार्डियंस, उनके पेरेंट्स और विद्यार्थी खुद वो सोचता है कि 4 साल के बाद मेरा क्या होगा, मुझे सर्विस मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, तो एक चिंता का विषय रहता है। हमारे डीन ने पूरी डिटेल्स में आपको बताया कि फार्मेसी का इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है। उन्होंने बिल्कुल ठीक बताया कि पूरे वर्ल्ड में as far as the volume is concerned, volume of the drugs production, तो भारत तीसरे स्थान पर है। उन्होंने सही बताया कि जितनी टैबलेट्स हैं मार्केट में पूरे वर्ल्ड में, तो every 3 tablets 1 from India means our position is number 3. तो 33% प्रोडक्शन पूरा वर्ल्ड का हिंदुस्तान में होता है, भारत में होता है। As far as the value is concerned, उसकी प्राइस के बारे में देखें तो वर्ल्ड में हमारा पोजीशन है 13 नंबर पर है, क्योंकि we are producing the medicine, quality medicine, but it is of a cheaper rate. हम मेडिसिन बनाते हैं लेकिन उसकी वैल्यू प्राइस बाकी दुनिया के देशों की प्राइस से बहुत कम है, इसलिए वैल्यू इज कंसर्न अवर पोजीशन इज 13। अभी भारत की बात बताए तो जितना भी प्रोडक्शन भारत में होता है उनमें से 40% ड्रग प्रोडक्शन गुजरात में होता है, 40%। और जो अभी महामारी हुई तब मालूम हुआ कि जो दवाई बनती है, मेडिसिन बनती है, उनका जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स, जो एक्टिव फार्मास्यूटिकल इंग्रेडिएंट, जो हम रॉ मटेरियल बोले, API बोले, वो 70% चाइना से आता है। इसी महामारी की वजह से हमारे भारत में भी अभी API का प्रोडक्शन शुरू हो गया है, तो हमें अभी जो हमारी डिपेंडेंसी है वो कम होने वाली है, तो और भी थोड़ा चांस हमारी कैरियर के बारे में, प्लेसमेंट के बारे में, जॉब के बारे में बढ़ने वाला है। यूनिवर्सिटी का बताया कि आपने सही यूनिवर्सिटी का सिलेक्शन किया, क्योंकि गुजरात में भी अभी 65-70 तक यूनिवर्सिटी है, बहुत प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में भी अभी फार्मेसी कोर्स चलता है, किसी और स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी में भी फार्मेसी का कोर्स है, लेकिन GTU ने एक 12 साल में अपना स्थान बनाया। अभी हमको जो इंटरनेशनल रैंकिंग एजेंसीज है, रेप्यूटेड QS, उनकी ओर से हमको ई गोज आई लीड वो सर्टिफिकेशन मिला। पूरे गुजरात में केवल 2 यूनिवर्सिटी के पास इस इंटरनेशनल क्यूएस रैंकिंग का सर्टिफिकेट है, एक हमारी जीटीयू, दूसरा सैक्ट यूनिवर्सिटी। तो आप सबको मैं बधाई देता हूँ कि आपने सही सिलेक्शन किया है। आप कोई भी संलग्न कॉलेज है जीटीयू की, आप सूरत में हो, आप महसाना में हो, आप अहमदाबाद में हो और कहीं भी हो, सौराष्ट्र में, कच्छ में, लेकिन वो कॉलेज जीटीयू एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज है, इसलिए आपको जीटीयू की डिग्री मिलने वाली है। तो जीटीयू का एक नाम बना है, एक स्थान बना है, उसी रेप्यूटेड यूनिवर्सिटी से आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिलने वाला है। आप कहीं भी पढ़ो जीटीयू की एफिलिएटेड कॉलेज में। आपको मालूम है कि जिस इनोवेशन स्टार्टअप इसके बारे में भी जीटीयू ने अपना एक स्थान बनाया है, तो आज उसका बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है। आप केवल एक एग्जाम दे दो, अच्छा मार्क्स आ जाए, अच्छा सीजीपीए एसपीआई आपका ग्रेड हो जाए, इनसे काम नहीं चलेगा। अभी जो क्राइटेरिया है, जो सिनेरियो है, उसमें आपका ओवरऑल इवैल्यूएशन होता है। द मार्क, द ग्रेड इज जस्ट एन एंट्री पॉइंट, बट आपकी ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी कैसी है वो भी देखी जाती है। आपका कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कैसा है, आप अपने टीम बिल्डिंग की कैपेसिटी कैसी है, आपका एटीट्यूड कैसा है, इस सभी बातों जो हम बोले जाएंगे आपकी पर्सनालिटी की एक परिपाटी में आता है, तो इसका भी इवैल्यूएशन होता है। तो आप अपनी कॉलेज में जो एक्टिविटी हो, curricular activity, co-curricular activity, extracurricular activity, NCC, NSS, जो भी हो स्पोर्ट्स की एक्टिविटी, आप उसमें पार्टिसिपेट हो। तो जिससे आपका ये सब क्वालिटी आपकी डेवलप होगी, आपकी लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, आपकी टीम बिल्डिंग कैपेसिटी, आपका एटीट्यूड वो डेवलप होगा, आपका कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा होगा, तो आपकी करियर में उसका भी बहुत रोल है। अभी तो ऐसा माना जाता है कि एकेडमिक जो पार्ट है उससे ज्यादा ये सब क्वालिटीज को वेटेज दिया जाता है। जो मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी है, वो कंपनी आपकी ये जो क्वालिटीज है, अदर देन योर एकेडमिक क्रेडिट्स एंड क्रेडेंशियल, दिस क्वालिटीज आर कंसीडर्ड फॉर योर जॉब प्लेसमेंट, फॉर योर करियर। और आपको अच्छी स्किल के लिए अच्छी तरह आपका तो थियरी के साथ साथ प्रैक्टिकल भी होने वाला है, तो उसमें आप ठीक तरह लगाकर पढ़िए। अब तक आप एक स्कूल में थे, अभी आप कॉलेज में आने वाले हैं, अब आप अपने गांव से नजदीक थे, अपने घर में रहकर पढ़ते थे, अभी आपको दूर जाना होगा, बहुत शायद कम बच्चे होंगे तो घर पर रहकर पढ़ेंगे, लेकिन ज्यादातर बच्चे दूर जाएंगे, कॉलेज में हॉस्टल में रहेंगे, पीजी में रहेंगे, तो आपकी जिम्मेवारी भी ज्यादा बनती है। आपके जो गार्डियंस है, आपके पिताजी माताजी ने जो विश्वास रखा है आपके ऊपर, तो आप वो विश्वास को अच्छी तरह पूरा करो, उनका विश्वास बना रहे 4 साल, और आप एक भारत के अच्छे नागरिक बने, एक अच्छे फार्मासिस्ट बने, आपके पास एक अच्छी डिग्री है, इस प्रकार की उनकी जो अभिलाषा है पूर्ण होनी चाहिए। इसके लिए आपको सदैव सतर्क रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो आप जब जाएंगे बाहर, तो बाहर के भी बहुत अट्रैक्शन होंगे, आपके मित्र होंगे, शायद आपने कभी सिगरेट की होगी, आपके मित्र बोलेंगे अरे पियो इसमें क्या हुआ है, ऐसा कुछ करेंगे, तो आप बिल्कुल सतर्क रहिए। आप अपने आप में जो विश्वास है आपके वडीलों का, आपके पिताजी माताजी, आपके संबंधी को, वो विश्वास लाएं और अपनी पढ़ाई में ध्यान रखे, इस सब एक्टिविटीज में भाग। मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलता कि आप केवल बुकवर्म हो जाओ और केवल पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, ऐसा नहीं। मैं बोलता हूँ कि आप सब पार्टिसिपेट हो, सभी एक्टिविटीज में पार्टी हो। ऐसा अर्थ भी मत निकालो कि उसमें टाइम बिगड़ेगा, टाइम नहीं होगा, आपकी क्वालिटी डेवलप होगी। सब में पार्टिसिपेट हो। बहुत अभी कॉलेजों में भी इनोवेशन की एक्टिविटी हो रही है, रिसर्च की एक्टिविटी हो रही है, आप पार्टिसिपेट हो और अपने करियर की एक अच्छी करियर बनाओ। मुझे मालूम है कि अपने यहाँ जो इनोवेशन की एक्टिविटी होती है तो पढ़ते पढ़ते भी बच्चे बहुत आगे निकलते हैं, खुद एंटरप्रेन्योर बन जाते हैं। हमारे इनोवेशन काउंसिल की ओर से जो बच्चों ने खुद अपनी कंपनी बनाई तो अभी उनमें से 13 करोड़ रुपया 13 करोड़ रुपीस जनरेटेड रेवेन्यू। They have employed 175 people. Means आप जॉब सीकर नहीं, जॉब गिवर बनो, इसी मेरी अभिलाषा है। तो आज के दिन मैं मानता हूँ कि आपने सही सिलेक्शन किया है, सही यूनिवर्सिटी का सिलेक्शन किया है, सही ब्रांच का भी सिलेक्शन किया है। तो आप अभी आने वाले दिनों में अभी न्यू नॉर्मल शब्द का यूज होता है। अभी नॉर्मल जो पहले बोलते थे कि जैसा होगा अभी आने वाला नहीं है, वी हैव टू लिव विद द कोविड। तो ये न्यू नॉर्मल में रहना होगा। तो आप ऑनलाइन पढ़ेंगे, कुछ ठीक होगा तो फिर हम ऑफलाइन पढ़ेंगे, आपकी एग्जाम भी इसी प्रकार होगी। तो आप अपनी एक एक मिनट, क्योंकि आपने बहुत लंबा वेकेशन एंजॉय किया है, मार्च के बाद आपका एग्जाम हो गया, फिर अभी एडमिशन हुआ, बहुत गैप हो गई, इन बिटवीन ये सब कोविड का भी आ गया, महामारी हो गई, लेकिन आपने बहुत समय एंजॉय किया है। अभी बहुत प्लेटफॉर्म है सीखने के लिए, आपके लिए प्रत्येक मिनट, प्रत्येक सेकंड, प्रत्येक क्षण बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो आप अपनी एक एक मिनट का, एक एक क्षण का, एक एक सेकंड का अच्छा उपयोग करो और शब्द मेहनत करो। अपने जो करियर सिलेक्शन किया है उसमें अच्छे से अच्छा, और अभी मैंने बोला केवल डिग्री से होने वाला नहीं है, आपको स्किल आनी चाहिए। बीकॉम होने के बाद चलो आपको इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑपरेट करके आता है, आपको ये मेथड आती है, आपको ये स्किल मालूम है, वो स्किल होनी चाहिए, स्किल डेवलप करनी चाहिए, अपनी स्किल सीखनी चाहिए। तो अपनी कॉलेज में जो सुविधा है उस सुविधा का पूरा लाभ उठाइए और अपने जीवन में आगे बढ़े। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी का शब्द हमेशा याद रखें, वर्क हार्ड, सक्सेस विल किस योर फीट। आप सख्त मेहनत करो, सफलता तुम्हारा चरण चूमे। धन्यवाद। भारत माता की जय।
Thank you, sir, for motivating students and best wishes to them.
So 91
I'm sure students will remember this online meet for the entire span of pharmacy course. I also thank Honorable Vice Chancellor sir for sparing his valuable time for this online orientation meet. I also take this opportunity to thank